Do you want to fix your slow metabolism? What is metabolism? The higher your metabolic rate is, the more calories you will burn. Hence, the easier it is to lose weight. On the other hand, the person with stall or slow metabolism will gain more fat from less food in comparison to the person with fast metabolism. Metabolism describes all the chemical processes that take place within the body to keep you alive and your organs working normally, such as breathing, repairing cells, and digesting food. These chemical processes require energy. The minimum amount of energy your body needs to perform these chemical processes is called the basal metabolic rate. Before we proceed to discuss how to fix your slow metabolism, just take 2 seconds out of your time and subscribe to our channel Sunny Side of Life. Number 1. Eating few calories. Eating too few calories can cause a significant decrease in digestion. Although a calorie deficit is necessary to lose weight, it can be beneficial for your calorie intake to be significantly lower. When you significantly reduce your calories, your body feels that food is scarce and lowers the rate at which calories are burned. Controlled studies in overweight and obese people confirm that consuming less than 1,000 calories a day can have a significant impact on your weight loss level. Many studies estimate rest of the metabolic rate, which is the amount of calories burned during rest. However, some also estimate calories burned during rest and work for more than 24 hours, which is referred to as the total daily expenditure. Although the calorie restriction is internal, it can still slow down metabolism. In a 4-day study of 32 people, the resting dose of 1,114 calories a day fell more than twice as many as 1,462 calories. However, weight loss was similar in both groups. If you are going to lose weight, don't limit your calorie intake or for too long. Number 2. Protein intake. Eating enough protein is very important in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. In addition to helping you feel full, eating a lot of protein can greatly increase your body's ability to burn calories. The increase in metabolism that occurs after digestion is called the thermic effect of diet. The thermic effect of protein is much higher than that of carbs or fats. Indeed, research shows that a temporary protein diet increases metabolism by about 20 to 30%. Compared to 5 to 10% carbs and 3% or less fat. Although metabolic rate decreases irreversibly during weight loss and continues to slow down during weight loss, evidence suggests that eating a high-protein diet can reduce this effect. In another study, participants followed one of 3 diets in an effort to maintain weight loss by 10 to 15%. A high-protein diet reduced daily energy expenditure by only 97 calories compared to 297 to 423 calories for people who ate less protein. One study found that people needed to eat at least 0.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to prevent their metabolism from slowing down during and after weight loss. Number 3. Avoid lazy or sedentary lifestyles. Sedentary lifestyles can be a major cause for slow metabolism. Sitting down can lead to a significant decrease in the number of calories you burn each day. Significantly, most people have lifestyles that are more involved in staying active, which can have negative effects on metabolic rate and overall health. While exercise or sports can have a significant effect on the amount of calories you burn, even basic exercise such as standing, cleaning, and taking steps can help you burn calories. This type of activity is called non-exercise activity, thermogenesis. NEAT. One study found that high NEAT levels can burn up to an additional 2,000 calories per day. However, such dramatic increases are not a reality for most people. One study found that watching TV while sitting burns 8% lower calories than typing sitting, and 16% fewer calories than standing. Number 4. Maintain a good night's sleep or high quality of sleep. Sleep is very important for good health. Getting more sleep than you need can increase your risk of many illnesses, including heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Several studies recognize that getting enough sleep can also reduce your metabolic rate and increase your chances of gaining weight. One study found that healthy adults who slept 4 hours a night for 5 consecutive nights experienced a 2.6 decrease in metabolic rest on average. Their level returned to normal after a 12-hour uninterrupted sleep. Insomnia is made worse by sleeping during the day than sleeping at night. This sleep pattern interferes with the rhythm of your body, or the internal clock. A 5-week study showed that prolonged sleep deprivation combined with circadian rhythm disturbances reduces metabolic rate by 8%. Number 5. Drinking sugary beverages. Sugary drinks are dangerous for your health. High consumption has been linked to a variety of diseases including insulin resistance, diabetes, and obesity. Many of the side effects of sugary drinks can be caused by fructose. Table sugar contains 50% fructose, while high fructose corn syrup raises 55% fructose. Regular consumption of sugary drinks can deplete your body. In a 12-week controlled study, obese and overweight individuals who consumed 25% of their calories as fructose-sweetened beverages in a weight loss diet experienced a significant decrease in metabolic rate. Not all studies support this view. One study observed that overeating to high fructose corn syrup compared to whole wheat did not affect the 24-hour weight loss rate. However, research shows that excessive consumption of fructose promotes increased fat storage in your stomach and liver. Number 6. Lack of exercise. Lack of exercise is another major cause for slow metabolism. Exercising is a good way to keep your metabolism from slowing. Strength training can be shown to increase metabolic rate in healthy people, as well as those with heart disease or being overweight or obese. It increases muscle mass, which creates more fat-free mass in your body. Having a high fat-free diet greatly increases the number of calories you burn at rest. Even a little strength training seems to increase energy use. In a 6-month study, people who exercise 11 minutes a day, 3 days a week, experienced a 7.4% increase in metabolic rest and burned 125 calories a day. On average, conversely, not doing any strength training can cause your weight loss to decrease, especially during weight loss and aging. Number 7. How to speed up metabolism. Some foods and beverages are said to boost your body, including green tea, black coffee, spices, and energy drinks. The evidence supporting these claims is weak or not a viable solution. While you do not have much control over the speed of your metabolism, you can control how many calories you burn. With your level of physical activity, the more you work, the more calories you burn. Some people who are said to have a faster metabolism may be more active and perhaps more self-sacrificing than others. Number 8. Aerobic activity. Aerobic exercise is a very effective way to increase metabolism. You should aim to do at least 150 minutes of aerobic activity, such as walking, cycling, and swimming per week. You can achieve this goal by doing 30 minutes 5 days a week and breaking your work schedule into 10 minutes. To lose weight, you may need to exercise for more than 150 minutes a week and make adjustments to your diet. Number 9. Strength training. Strength training also increases metabolism, as muscles burn more calories than fat, so increasing your muscle mass will help you lose weight. Plan to do muscle strengthening activities that work for all major muscle groups: legs, hips, back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, and arms, 2 days or more a week. Examples of muscle strengthening activities include weightlifting and regular exercise sessions. A heavy garden can also do the job. Number 10. Count your calories. Quality over value becomes the key of using mitochondria. That means if you would like to know how much you should eat, calculate your average dose of rest RMR, or the total amounts of calories your body needs to live to complete rest. When you eat fewer calories than your RMR, your body thinks you are hungry. Calculating your RMR is easy. If it is medium-sized, take your weight in pounds and multiply by 10. If you have muscle mass and weight loss, multiply your weight by 13. If you are overweight, multiply it by 8 times. Eating less than your RMR means your body is moving in starvation mode, or burn calories the same as your intake. Number 11. Move faster. Studies show high-intensity training, where you go out every 30 to 60 seconds, slow down for a few minutes, then repeat, coupled with strength training is a great way to create new improved mitochondria. Strength training builds muscle and creates more mitochondria, while intermittent training improves mitochondrial function and how quickly they burn oxygen and calories. You can learn more about the active exercise program here. Number 12. Hydrated body. Your body needs water to process calories. If you become dehydrated, you can lose weight. In one study, adults who drank 8 or more glasses of water a day burned more calories than did 4 drinkers. To stay hydrated, drink a glass of water or another unsweetened beverage before all meals and snacks. Also, you can eat fresh fruits and vegetables, which contain water naturally, rather than pretzels or chips. Number 13. Snacks. Eating more often can help you lose weight. If you eat large meals and long hours in between, your metabolism slows down between meals. Eating small meals or snacks every 3 to 4 hours keeps your metabolism stable, so you burn more calories during the day. Numerous studies have also shown that people who eat regularly eat less at mealtimes. Spicy foods contain natural chemicals that can kick your metabolism into high gear. Cooking food with a spoonful of red or green red peppers can increase your weight loss. The effect is probably temporary, but if you eat spicy foods often, the benefits can be added. To speed up the process, add dishes of pasta, peppers, and stews with red flakes. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel Sunny Side of Life so that you won't miss an upcoming video.